The Filipino adverb of manner, tahimik, means quietly in English. Tahimik. Tahimik. Nag-aral siya ng tahimik sa library. It means he or she studied quietly in the library. Aral means study. Nag-aral is studied. Siya is he or she. Tahimik is quietly sa library. In the library. Nag-aral siya ng tahimik sa library. Pumasok siya ng tahimik sa silid. He or she entered the room quietly. Pumasok, it's like entered, enter, pasok. Siya is he or she, it's gender neutral. Tahimik means quietly sa silid. A silid is a room. So pumasok siya ng tahimik sa silid. Kumain sila ng tahimik habang nanonood. They ate quietly while watching. Kumain, kain is the root word. The past tense ate, kumain. Sila is they, tahimik is quietly, habang, that means while, and then nanonood is watching. Kumakain sila ng tahimik habang nanonood. Tahimik kaming nanood ng pelikula. We watched the movie quietly. So tahimik is quietly, kami is like we, nood is like watch, and then a pelikula is a movie. Tahimik kaming nanood ng pelikula. Once more, when we say tahimik, it means quietly in English. Tahimik. Tahimik.